Hi, I'm John Borrego. I'm the Director of Operations here at IEE. Welcome to our video series, Quality Management Systems for Electronic Displays in the Aerospace and Defense Industry. This is part one of our video series called Quality Management. And here I'm going to discuss a little bit about the lean methodology that we use here at IEE, along with our AS9100 certification process. This diagram is what's called a value stream map. A value stream map is a lean tool that employs a flow diagram that documents every step in a process. We use this tool to identify waste, reduce process cycle times, and implement process improvements. It starts off by taking a snapshot of the current state of a product, breaking down each individual process steps, calculating the total lead time and value added time for each process step, looking for improvements that will lead to increased flow and reduction of lead time. Another lean tool that we use here is what's called a Nishikawa diagram, or a fishbone diagram, if you will. The purpose of the fishbone diagram is to help us categorize the many potential causes of problems or issues in an orderly way. It also helps us in determining root causes. Essentially, this analysis breaks the whole into parts. These diagrams are helpful in clearly breaking down the relationship between a topic and all the possible factors that are related to it. When used as a cause and effect diagram, it can represent the amount of influence of each cause. IEE is ISO 9001:2015 and AS9100D certified. The AS9100 certification is the most widely adopted and standard quality management system used in the defense and aerospace industries. In addition to our AS9100 certification, our quality policy statement is customer-centric. Our goal is for complete satisfaction of our customers in quality, delivery, and service, which is our organization's top priority. One of the requirements of AS9100D is to depict the interaction of processes between our support departments and the key process groups. And this flowchart indicates the customer requirements, initials, all the way up to their customer satisfaction and how the processes and departments interact with each other. Thank you very much for joining me today. Please join me for our part two of our quality management systems here at IEE. Have a great day.